Hey, how's it going? It's Coach Jay here. I'm going to show you how to do the Y formation, okay? Now the Y, it's very simple, and its goal is to actually challenge the depression of the shoulder while also activating the lower muscles of the lower trapezius, okay? So here, check this out. What we're doing here is we're going to first have a soft bend in the knee. So it's soft, it's not like a huge bend. We're just coming a little bit forward at the knee, okay? And then all we're gonna do from there is bend at the hip, keeping that chest up nice and tall. And we're gonna come to about here. So that nice little angle, all right? And you're gonna feel a little bit of the hamstring muscle turn on because indeed you are stretching the hamstrings. Now also make sure that your feet are shoulder width distance as you look down, okay? It's gonna provide you more stability or else you might topple over. Now the next thing here is very simple. All you're gonna do is contract your abdominal muscles. So try to tighten your abdominal muscles like someone's gonna punch you in your gut. And you're going to push your shoulders down and back, and then you're gonna inhale and bring your arms up and overhead in a Y formation, okay? Now I'm gonna show you that from the front just so it makes more sense. Here we go. Inhale, chin tucked. There's nothing to see in front. Inhale, chin tucked. Lift the arms up and overhead. Boom. I'm gonna do it from the back. Inhale and exhale. Okay? So it's a very simple movement, and what I want you to do is I want you to start with 5 repetitions. And if you can do 5 repetitions comfortably without feeling a whole lot of pain in your shoulders, because you might, especially if your shoulders are really tight, maybe you're coming from a frozen shoulder or you're coming from an injury, that's completely okay. Start where you're comfortable, 1 to 5 repetitions. But if this doesn't hurt at all, now I want you to challenge yourself, okay? And I want you to go all the way up to roughly 2 minutes of work. So somewhere between 0 seconds all the way to 2 minutes of work when it comes to this movement to truly fatigue the muscle.